Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Nafi's Learner Zone. So I am here for you with a special video today. It's based on an incident which took place yesterday. On 7th May 2020, India has shocked again, not
by the effect of COVID 19.
about a chemical disaster which has taken place in Vishakhapatnam in one of the chemical industry named as LG Polymer. Gas has been leaked from the LG Polymer unit, which till now have killed 11 and 100 plus people had been hospitalized, out of which nearly 25 has been critically ill. You might have come across this news in the media. What we are going to discuss today in this video is which is the gas leaked from the industry, what's the structure of that, what's the chemical nature, where it is used, what are the chemical hazards if we are exposed to that gas, and finally how it will be contained, how it will be inhibited, and which is being done, which is being under process right now in Vizag. So let's start this to know what is this gas is. I hope you all know the name of the gas, that is styrene. So what is this styrene? The styrene is a monomer which is used to make polystyrene, which is a polymer of this monomer, that is styrene. Okay, so what's the chemical formula of this? That is C8H8. So the structural formula of that you can check out here. So this structure, this is a derivative of benzene, which is usually in liquid state at room temperature, but it has to be stored under 20 degrees Celsius in the industries. Doesn't mean that its boiling point is 20 degrees Celsius, it's much higher. It's a liquid organic compound, but above 20 degrees Celsius, in case if it gets some heat or light, it start polymerization. What's polymerization? So process of making polymers by using monomers. So these are the monomers, that is styrene, C8H8, that start joining one to one styrene, second styrene. It keeps joining end to end to form a polymer known as polystyrene. Like you might be knowing about the PVC, polyvinyl chloride, which has been done by the polymerization of vinyl chloride. Or polythene. Polythene is been done by the polymerization of ethene. Okay, so like that. So this styrene used for the polymerization of this polystyrene. Okay, so that to do it, this LG Polymers has stored lot of tons of this styrene gas in a tank. It has to be stored in a tank below 20 degrees Celsius, and they had done it. That doesn't mean that they had not done it. As per to the reports, as they had stored it under 20 degrees Celsius, but due to this nationwide lockdown for so many days, since 44 days the industry has been locked. So during that time also they had some around 15 staff to maintain this temperature, because maintaining the temperature of that styrene is very important. If it is not continuously monitored, then it will undergo automatic polymerization. It may happen, but it has been monitored as per to the reports, of the officials of the industry. It has been monitored, but what they say is, what happened is, due to this continuous lockdown and due to that as the styrene has been stagnant for so many days, what happened is some of the styrene has got evaporated and got settled on the surface. As it settled on the surface, it starts evaporating, coming out of that, as there might be change in temperature, or there might be some fault in the refrigeration unit. The refrigeration unit of that might have failed to maintain the temperature below 20 degrees Celsius, due to which the styrene gas has been released. The half of the tank has been already leaked. Then it has been closed, it has come under control, but it has caused lot of danger. Okay, the next is, what is polystyrene used of? So this polystyrene you all have seen, but might not have aware about the name of this. This polystyrene is used to make the parts of refrigerator, microwave oven, computer, and simple things like the reusable cups or the plates, and lot of things, lot of simple things like food packing things. It is been done by using polystyrene. You can check out these things, you all are aware of these things, so I hope. So this polystyrene has been made by Styrene in the LG Polymer, which is a South Korean based industry situated in Vizag. What happened is, the let's check out what are the health hazards of this styrene gas. So as you have seen, there are 11 or 12 people died due to this exposure of this styrene gas, and there are several hospitalized, so many are critically ill. What makes it, styrene is not a so poisonous gas. What it does is, the major effect it causes, it affects the mucus. The mucus is the lining of the respiratory tract and the alimentary canal. The fluid what you can see in the nasal cavity or in the tract, that mucus is actually affects a lot by the exposure to styrene. So that may leads to breathlessness. That's what happened in that people surrounding the LG Polymers. The people suffered from breathlessness, and there are unfortunately few people have passed away, have died there. So that's the one effect, that is breathlessness. That's not the only one, there are other effects too of this styrene. This may affect the respiratory tract majorly, this even affect the gastrointestinal tract. It cause indigestion, it cause nausea in case if it is exposed to the long time, which has not happened in this case. In this case, very short period it has been exposed. Due to the exposure in short period, only these we can see. For long term, if it is exposed, that may leads to leukemia. Leukemia is a type of blood cancer, and severe headache, and there are even lots of effects to the central nervous system can be seen. Due to the central nervous system, there are people may forgetfulness, they develop some forgetfulness, they may forget the things quickly, they may lose the memory. There are such effects if it is exposed to the long term, which has hopefully it doesn't happen, it has been contained by now. The NDRF team is working day and night to save from this chemical disaster, and hope they'll be successful soon. And around 500 kg of a inhibitor named PTBC, that is para tertiary butyl catechol, you can check out here in case you couldn't pronounce it. So you can just say the acronym PTBC. This is an inhibitor which actually inhibits the polymerization process, that is, it inhibits the styrene to convert to the polystyrene, so thereby reducing the effect to somewhat extent. So that is important, that's been done already, so there is nothing much to be worried. And in the initial time there was a lot of panic, and due to the emergency situation, so many has been affected. But those who are affected, those who are exposed to less concentration of this, for them the antidote is very simple. The antidote here is nothing but the water. So drink enough water, so that may give relief from this. So what is the major effect will be for those who are having respiratory illness. So the present situation itself is very dangerous for those who are having respiratory problem. First thing about this COVID-19, and the second now in Vizag about this. So you people have to be very careful, especially even those young kids and the elderly people should be very cautious in this situation. So this is not the first time the chemical disaster has happened. There's a huge, very large disaster has taken place in the history. 1984 December 2 and 3 in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, it was a huge leakage of a very poisonous gas, that is methyl isocyanate, has taken place, which has killed nearly 4,000 people. So that was one of the major disaster India has seen, and there are other disaster world has seen like Chernobyl disaster and Minamata disease. We discuss in some other videos if you are interested to know that. So that's very interesting. So we'll so this is not so dangerous as those things. So everything will be fine, nothing much to be worried. We together have to fight for this COVID-19 and come out of this deadly situation as soon as possible. Heartfelt condolences to the people who lost their life in this LG polymer gas leak incident, and pray for those people who are critically ill. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you so much.